Hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at just a simple 2D plotter in Python. Python's pretty simple, pretty easy for plotting. All you need is really the library known as Matplot library, and that's a really great library. I'll probably be making some more future videos on it. And the other library is NumPy, which is actually also installed when you get Matplotlib. Okay, so for the actual graph itself, we have this variable x, which is just using NumPy to space out everything. So basically, yeah, you'll see. And then you have the actual function, y equals x to the power 2, so that's the variable will change. And then we have the plotting of the actual function, and showing it. Now, this variable here, b, is actually the color for the function, so it should be blue, as you'll see. And this pulls up, just a executable, essentially. It's not an actual executable, but I think you know what I mean. For Matplot library, and with this you can do a bunch of things. You can save the figure, or you can configure it. So you can change the width and everything that you want. Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty simple, Plus, you get an on-string cursor right around here, so that you can see the exact points you want to look at. If you want to look at the actual points that are being drawn, not just the lines, you can actually change this to, like, let's say B1, and then execute that. And boom, you can see every single point. And so this, you can actually kind of already tell the rate of change more clearly than just looking at the line. So that's pretty much it. So as you can see, this is -10 to 10, and that's right here. So yeah, there's not too much to this. I find it a really simple, easy tool, and when I don't feel like using my graphing calculator, but I really don't need it to graph anymore, I'll use this. So the code will be in a link down below, or you can just copy it. It's not that difficult. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.